Hi all, normally a device joins a network using a shared password, but these passwords can be messy, hard to manage and even vulnerable. That's where DPP, Device Provisioning Protocol, changes the game. Instead of using a shared password, it uses public key cryptography for secure onboarding. This process starts with a trusty introduction like scanning a QR code or tapping an NFC tag. From there, the device and the network creates an encrypted channel and the Wi-Fi credentials are shared securely, ever without exposing the passwords. And the best part is, even devices without no screens and keyboards like IoT sensors and smart appliances can be connected effortlessly. Since DPP is a Wi-Fi aligned standard, it works across vendors, which makes it interoperable, scalable and built for future. That's the power of DPP, fast, safe and future ready. At ThinkPalm, we are already working with these next-gen onboarding standards that help business adopt DPP for smarter homes, enterprise and industrial IoT. Click the description below for more details and stay tuned as we show how DPP transforms the Wi-Fi onboarding for the connected world. Thank you.